Hello, hello, hello! How's everyone doing? My name is Nealay Patel here at Jesse James Beads, and I am so excited to be with you here today for a episode of Morning Wake and Make. We are here to provide inspiration, ideas, and design techniques for you guys out there, and I'm so excited. There's a new collection out with Jesse James Beads, the Goddesses, and I've just been so excited and reinvigorated and super turned on with all the beautiful beads that are out there in this collection. And I wanted to show you the design that we're working on today. It is this beautiful necklace, and this is from the Hindu goddesses. And I believe this is the Lakshmi strand, but I think Sarah can correct me on that. But check out that huge heart crystal glass bead. I just think that's so super killer. They've got some beautiful pendants in the collection as well. And what I wanted to show you specifically today, besides the collection, because I wanted to go over some of the beads that are in this particular collection, is the technique used to make that soft SilverSilk tassel that's at the top and bottom. Just kind of a neat accent piece, and I think it just goes well with this design. So I'm actually going to flip the camera over, and I'm going to show you some of the beads that are in this collection, because I'm freaking out over them. They're so awesome. Alrighty. Right. Here's my little workspace. If I can get the camera adjusted correctly. Alrighty. I have my little board here, but oh, look at that. Here's another one from the Hindu goddesses. Isn't that just gorgelicious? I mean, they've got these really cool frosted beads with the sparklies. I think they just do better and better with each collection, and I'm just so impressed with all the cool, unique beads that they come up with because they're custom. And so once this strand sells out, it's never gonna happen ever again, which is kind of sad, and it's just sad to think about. So if you love these strands, make sure to pick them up from www.jessejamesbeads.com, and on the large banner in the homepage is where you'll find all the information that you need. Now I'm gonna pick this up and hopefully I don't drop it or anything, but look at all those little bead mix beads. Ugh, just whoops, get that out of the way. Isn't that just super colorful? And like that's really the Hindu culture, is, you know, bright colors, elephants. We've got these beautiful little hands. I'm just so excited about them. In that collection as well, you can get some other components like these cool leaves, some beautiful pendants that are in it. And of course, this is a strand that I had taken apart to make my design, but that's just awesome. So I'm really in love with this collection. Oops. I keep dropping beads all over the place, but I'll pick them up later. Okay, for this project, which let me see if I can bring it out here on the ground. There we go. Now, I'll do a close-up on this just so you can kind of get an idea, but we're just using wire and SilverSilk here to make that little tassel. And so let me show you that, and then I'm going to show you how it's all connected together. So what I have here is a little piece of wire. This is about 20 to, I would recommend even 20 gauge. And it could be dead soft, that's all right, not a big deal. And then you'll need a pair of round nose pliers. And I've also selected a bead cap there just as an accent for the top part of it, and then you could put a bead on top of that as well. So I'll probably use something from the mini mix there. And of course you'll need some SilverSilk. So this is the flat SilverSilk, and I want you guys to let us know if you love it. If you love this project, if you love this material and you want to see it on the Jesse James website, please comment and let us know. We would love to carry it for you guys if you want it. So definitely check it out. You'll need about a foot of this at a time. And I'm just going to use my cutters to just go ahead and cut it. Now it's great because when you cut it, it doesn't fray. The way that these knits are interwoven makes it very easy, user-friendly to work with. So you could really chop this up and it's not going to fray or lose its design. The other part of it is it's cool because if you do an accidental crease like that, you could just really use your fingernail to like straighten it back out, which is pretty awesome. Back to square one. So anyways, really cool, super versatile stuff. All right, so I have my materials in hand, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a little loop on this just because I'm going to connect it on either side. So I just made a quick little simple loop. And you can add a bead at the bottom if you want, but I chose not to on this design, just so it's more tassel-y, I suppose. But you really just thread it right through the SilverSilk, and then you like kind of work your way around as if it's ribbon. And you can make your loops kind of graduate from like larger to smaller, which is sort of what I've done for this design. So there we go. But yeah, you just kind of work your way around, making sure that the loops are flat. And it kind of looks like a little flower, which kind of goes with this Hindu goddesses collection. So just keep going until you use up all the way to the end of your SilverSilk. This particular color that I'm using is rose gold, FYI. So if you love it, again, just let us know if you love this color, rose gold. There I have a little bit sticking out at the end, so what I'm going to do is actually extend this out a little bit. So, sheet. It's going to go in my bead cap anyway. And, I mean, that's it, basically. So, if you do have a little, like, bit there, you could just clip it out. And, I mean, it kind of bothers me, to be honest, so I'm just going to clip it off. And then, yeah, you could just string your little bead cap on. I found this on Jesse James Beads. I think I was leftovers from another collection, but it works perfectly for this. So, anyways, you just string that right on, just pick out a bead. I mean, this one looks great. I like to match my colors, so like this stronger purple works really well with this rose gold in this particular collection. So now I'll just make my simple loop there at the top. I'm going to use a pair of soft flex cutters. These are made for wire specifically, and these are kind of made for beading wire, so, but it also works well with the SilverSilk. Okay, and then now I'll just simply make my loop there at the top with a pair of round nose, and there you have it, friends. That's pretty much it. So now, this is also a pendant from the Hindu Goddesses collection that you can pick up, and all I did was just connect it there from the bottom of my loop, and then when I broke my strand apart, they have these beautiful like magenta roses, this huge heart crystal glass that I'm just so in love with. It's sparkly as heck, and it just love it. They got these cool little like flat roses. Let's see if I can pick one up here that kind of go through the middle, which I thought was really unique of the bead, so I just kind of stuck that on top. And then I made another one there for the top part, and then just connected my chain. That's pretty much it. It took like maybe 15 minutes to put together. Currently that is stuck on. I guess it was a sign for having shown this to you guys at least one more time, right? So, sorry about that, but again, there's that beautiful second strand. So you definitely want to check out this collection. I just think it's really stellar. They have 3 different regions that they're hitting. They're doing the Hindu, Norse, and Egyptian goddesses. So stay tuned for more videos as I will plow into those and design something fabulous for you guys. I'm going to turn the camera back around and let you know what else is going on. If I can put this back gracefully. Oops. Alrighty. It's around. Okay, so morning wakes and makes are, we're going to be bringing a lot more concise and consistently to you for these. And hopefully you guys will get some cool ideas. I know there's some contests and other things going on that Jesse James Beads likes to do. So hopefully these will bring you some ideas and inspiration to participate in those. So definitely check out the Facebook for any upcoming events or Facebook Lives that Sarah will do. If you love the tutorials, you could check out YouTube. and just subscribe to Jesse James Beads. And if you love me, which I hope you do, you could check out my brand, Beads and Bubbles, and just spell it all out. In Facebook and Instagram, it's Beads and Bubbles Jewelry, I believe, and I'm posting pictures, trying to be more consistent about it, so check me out there as well. We'll post a photo of this project here on Facebook shortly, but until next time, I will see you guys. We'll continue this fabulous array of different projects for the Goddesses collection, so stay tuned. All right, I'll check you guys later. Have a good morning, and I will be in touch. All right, bye.